In the last session, we discussed about formulas. Formula is a field. Formula is a read-only field. It cannot display in the edit page. It can display in only detail page only. We can write the formulas for standard and custom objects. And whenever we are writing the formula, it is allowing maximum 3900 characters for the logics. And at the time of compilation, it is accepting 5000 characters maximum size. The formula values are case sensitive. The formula values are case sensitive. So small letters, capital letters, carefully you can write. The possible outputs are 7 type of outputs, written types. Date, date, time, currency, number, percentage, text, and checkbox. There is a 7 type of outputs it is allowing. Formulas are 2 types. One is simple and advanced formulas. Advanced formulas are categorized into 4 types. Date, time, text, math, logical. There is a 4 type of options it is provided. Date and time. Suppose date of birth is a one field. In the date of birth field, we have some date we entered. Date of birth is August 22nd, 2000 is the date of birth. Now, here date of birth, if I am passing the date. Date is a one function. If I pass the date of birth in the date, then what is the date of birth? It is date is returns the complete date, whatever day, month, year, completely it is returns. If I call the day of date of birth, if I call the day of date of birth, whenever we pass the date of birth in the day function, it returns what is the date here? 22nd is the date. So we get the 22nd. If I pass the month of date of birth, then it returns month value is returns. If I pass the year of date of birth, then it returns that date of birth year is returns. If I call the today's date, current date is nothing but, so 2nd June 2017 it is returns. Now including hours and time, hours and minutes, it is nothing but time is complete time it is returns. So whenever we are using date functions, then it is returns the corresponding values it is returns. Suppose month of today, if I pass the month of today, then 6 is returns. Today's month is nothing but June. June is nothing but the 6th month. The same way some of the functions are text related functions. Begins is a one function. What is the begins function? It checks the beginning text. It checks the beginning text. If it is matches, it returns true value. Otherwise false. So some text we are writing. In the text, begins of some text and comparison text. Begins of Salesforce is a cloud-based technology. SAL. Now in this case it is returns false because it is a case sensitive. Contains of some text. Contains of some text here. Salesforce is a cloud-based technology. Some cloud is a comparison text. In the content, in the text, whether the cloud is available or not, it is checking. If the cloud is available, then returns true, otherwise false. Is pick value. The given value is pick list value or not, it is checking. Is pick value of pick list field. Country is the one pick list field. State is the one pick list field. Account type is one pick list type. Like this, transaction type is one pick list type. If the value is a pick list type, it returns true, otherwise returns false. So pick list is pick value is the function name. Pick list field value is comparison text here. Now is pick value of a country. Country, the country value is India. The name is, you can write small letters, capital letters, function name or field names also small letters, capital letters, no problem. But the value is must be same. Then only it is returns true, otherwise false. Left. It displays left side content. So left of some text we are passing. This is some text. From the left side, some number of characters we are expecting. The number of characters, 12 characters I am passing here. If I pass the 12 characters, including space characters, it is 12 characters, it is gives the output. SALES, force, Salesforce is 10 characters. Space is 1 character. and I is one character. Total 12 characters it is output. Write. If I call the write, from the given text, right side text it is a display. Write of Salesforce is a cloud-based technology and 16 is the characters. From the right side, 16 characters up to 16 characters it is gives the output. In the middle we have one space. That space is also takes one character. Mid. From the middle if you want to display, then pass the some text. Starting number and number of characters. Start number and number of characters. How many number of characters from the middle? The number of characters is 6 and starting text is from 12th character. 12th is the starting character, 6 is number of characters. Here I is the 12th character, I to C. Total 6 characters. How it is 6? In the middle 2 spaces we have. Those spaces also it is calculating. Length function. It calculates a number of characters the given text in the given text, including space characters. So how many characters are there in the text? That number of characters it is gives the count. Salesforce is a cloud. Salesforce 10 character, one space character. Now is how many space? 1, 2, 3 spaces. 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 10, 21 characters. Lower, it is converting into lower cases. So if I provided uppercase, then it is converting lower case only. Uppercase, just it is converting into capital letters. Trim function. What is a trim function? What is a trim function? What is a trim function? There is one field, username is a one field. In the username, user is entered, his username is entered. Username is a core Java. Some space characters, after that some space characters, later Java. User is entered like this. But in the system, we are checking this code. Core Java is the username. We configured core Java is the we configured, but here user is entered like this in the field, username field. Whenever he is entered, the first space character it is comparing with C. Second space like this. Third space, fourth space like this. Is it same? Is it same to or not same? In that case,
No.
user is get the so invalid password or invalid username because these are two comparison not same. So here this is some problem. If you want to eliminate complete space characters from beginning and ending space characters, here we have beginning some space characters, ending also some space characters. Completely it is removing from beginning and ending. In the middle, except one remaining spaces it is removing. In the beginning and ending, it is completely removing, but in the middle one space is allowing. That means here if I provide a trim of some text, so here some beginning text is empty, here also some empty characters, here also empty. Now whenever we provide a trim like this, it is a Salesforce is a cloud based technology. How it is displaying? Salesforce is a cloud based technology. In the middle we required one space character is required in the middle. So that is the reason it is allowing. If you are enter 10 or 20, then only one space only allowing here. This is the way it is provided. Now math function, absolute function. It returns absolute value. So absolute value. If I provided negative values or positive value, the final output is positive is the output. So this is nothing but absolute function. If I use the absolute function, then it is returns positive value or negative value. Only if the value is positive is the output. Ceiling.
Rajendra, if you don't mind, just can you please repeat that trim function once? I just missed that one part last.
There is username and password is fields we are creating. Okay, here we enter the some text. User is entered. Instead of beginning, some space characters is entered. After space characters only, actual password he is provided. In that password also, in the middle also he is given some of the space characters. And we are comparing these values in the programming. In the backend we are comparing this value is nothing but the core Java is the his password. His password is core Java. Here user is entered password is core Java, but here some space characters he applied. He is provided some spaces. Whenever we are comparing the user entered value and the system value, whenever we are comparing system value and user entered value, is it same? Two are same? Is it same? Whenever we are comparing, the comparison is comparing. Here empty spaces is compared with your data. The first character is compared with the first character. Second character is compared with the second. But here first character, second, third, fourth, some characters is provided space characters. At that time, the space characters are compared with your original characters. In that case, is it same? These two are same? Is it same? Vasant? Hello? So space characters, here space characters are compared with your content. In this case, these two are not the same. So whenever we are applying the trim function, what happened means, if I apply the trim function, it is removes complete space characters. It is removes complete space characters. Here some spaces we provided. Whenever we provided spaces, it is removing complete spaces from beginning and ending also. In the middle, one space is allowing. Remaining spaces it is removing. One space is allowing. So like this, it is removing in the middle except one space, remaining spaces it is removing. Whenever we are using trim function, it is eliminating complete waste characters it is eliminating. So for that we are using the trim function. Now math functions, absolute. If I enter the positive value or negative value, the output is final output is nothing but the positive is the output. Ceiling. If I enter some decimal places, it is removing decimal place and next integer value it is generating. If I provide a 24 point something, next integer is nothing but a 25 is the next value. What is the next value? Next value is nothing but 25 is the next value. Flooring. It is removing complete decimal value and whatever integer number is there, that integer number only it is returns. The floating point decimal values it is removing and only integer value only displaying. Flooring operation, whenever we are using the floor function, then it is removing decimal values and the number, whatever number we provided, that number only displaying. And whenever we are using ceiling, next integer it is generating. So upper nearest integer, it is lower nearest integer, floor is lower nearest integer, and ceiling is upper nearest integer value it is provides. If I use the round function, 24 point some value I provided. Based on the decimal value, if the decimal value is 0.4 or below value, it is a floor operation performing. Flooring operation it is performs. The value is a decimal value is a 0.5 or above value, it is a ceiling operation is a performing. In this case, 24.44 something, then it is a 24 only the output, because here it is a flooring operation performing. 24.55 something, then it is performing 0.5 or above value ceiling. That means it is a 25 is the output. Square root, if I enter the sum 9, 9 square root is 3, 16 square root is 4, 25 square root is 5. Like this square root values it is returns. Max, if I enter the some values, in that values, what is the highest value? If I entered max of mass, physics, chemistry, in that physics, chemistry, mass, which subject values are highest value, that value we are getting the here value. Minimum, if I pass the some values, from that it returns the minimum value is returns. In this case minimum value is 50, 4 is the minimum value. Is blank.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Is blank. Is blank of some expression. If the value is a empty value, there is no value, then it returns true, otherwise returns value. If the number values, if I entered a number type of fields, if the number type of fields only it is takes the, if it is empty, then only it is takes the blank value. If the value is some string type of text type of value, then it is takes the default value, null value it is takes. In that case, null value you are getting the some false value is getting, because false is also nothing but the some null is also nothing but a some value. So in that case it is getting the some null values we are getting, or false value we are getting. Is blank of null, null is nothing but a some value, so in that case it is a false. Is null is the one function. Is null of expression, only in the case of null value it returns true, otherwise false. Any other cases it returns false only. Like this it is given some of the functions related to text related functions and logical related functions. What are the logical related functions? Logical related functions are nothing but and condition. And of some logic I am providing, logic 1, logic 2, logic 3, logic 100. If each and every logic out of 100 logics are true, the final output is true. If each and every logic is true, the final output is true. Suppose one logic is false, then the final output is also false only. If the logic, every logic is, whatever logic is written, each and every logic is true, then only it is true, otherwise it is a false only. It is a false only. Now, and of some condition, okay, or condition. What is the or condition? Or of some logics we are providing, logic 1, logic 2, logic 3, logic 105 provided. If each and every logic is true, then only it is returns true, otherwise returns false. Each and every logic is true, then only, sorry, in the or condition, one or more logics true, then it is true. Here 99 logics are false, only one logic only true. Only this logic is true, remaining logics are false. Even one logic also true, the output is true. If every logic is false, if every logic is false, then only the output is false. Here one logic is enough, but in the case of and, all logics are required. In the case of or, only one logic is true, then final output is true. So this is nothing but and or differences. If condition. In the case of if condition, we are enter the some logic. If the logic value is true, then immediately it is executing the true value. Otherwise, if the logic is false, then we are getting the false value. Then we are getting the false value. Now, case of some expression we are passing. If the expression value is matching with the value 1, then output we are getting, this is the result is a 1. If the value is matching with this 2, then output is this. If it is not matching with any one of these, then finally it is executing some default value. So this is nothing but a case. Case is nothing but, in the Java or .NET or C language we are using, switch case break statement. That is, this is similar to that one only. This is similar to that one only. Now, not of some logic we are passing. If the logic value is true, not value is false. If the logic value is false, not value is true. Opposite value it is returns. Suppose if I am providing some logic, not of some logic, that logic is greater than 8 characters. Username greater than 8 characters. If you entered username is 10 characters, it is greater than 8, so that's the reason logic is true. In the case of logic is true, not value is false. Suppose if you entered username is 5 characters, it is less than 8 characters, so logic is false. In the case of logic is false, not value is true. Not value is true means we are executing or we are displaying some error messages to the user. Username minimum 8 characters. Like this, some messages we are displaying. So for this we required, what is we required? If you want to perform some validation rules, at that time we are using not values we are using. Not of some logic we are passing. If the logic is false, then not value is true. If the logic is true, not value is false. If the not value is false, then it cannot execute any error messages. If the not value is true, then only it is executing the error messages. For that we are using the some not is using. These are the different type of functions are provided for the formulas. Now, in the student object I am creating one field is a date of birth is a one field. New field creation. Date of birth is a one field. For that I am selecting date is a data type. Save it. Date of birth it is created. Date of birth is 2000. Date of birth is March 15th. I created one record. So date of birth is the date of birth. Based on the date of birth, I am calculating age. Student age I am calculating. So month of date of birth. Okay, month of today is greater than or equals to month of date of birth. Then we are applying, this is the logic is applying. This is the logic. What is the logic? Today month is 6th. Date of year is 2017. Minus March is nothing but 03 and year is 2000. In that case, 3 months and 17 years. This is some value we are getting. 17 years, 3 months is the output we are getting. Suppose if the date of birth current month is less than date of birth month, in that case, now I am applying logic. 06 is today's month, 2017 is year minus, suppose date of birth month is October. October means 10th month and 2000 is the year. Now 6 minus 10. So we required year value we are converting into some months. Whenever we are taking year value is converting into months, that is converting into minus 1. Whenever we are using the minus 1, 2017 minus 1 means it is 2016 is the years. The value we are converted into months type. 1 year is converting into months means how many months? 12 months. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 minus 10. How much? 8 months. And 2017 minus 1. It is nothing but 2016. 2016 minus 2000. Nothing but 16 is the years. 2017 minus 1. Here we are converted into months type. So that is the reason here 16 only. This is nothing but 2016 only. 2016 minus 2000 is nothing but 16 is the years. And here months are 8 months. 16 years, 8 months. This is. If the logic, when we are writing the logic, if the date of birth month is greater than current month, in that case we are writing like this. Otherwise, if the date of birth month, today's month is greater than date of birth month, in that case directly we are writing that this is a logic. Otherwise, we are converting into years or converting into months, then we are using these months here. This is a logic I am applying. For this logic, I am creating one formula is creating. How to create the formula logic? I am creating one formula here. The formula logic, student age years. Years is nothing but 16 years, 17 years. That is a number type of value. Number type of value. I am applying, the logic is applying here. I required here advanced function is required. If condition I am using, in the condition satisfied immediate value, otherwise false value is executing. The logic, what is the logic is required? Here month of today, what is the logic is required? Month of today is greater than or equals to month of date of birth. So month of today, whenever we are writing, it is written 6. 6 is greater than or equal to 3. Yes, this value is true. 6 is greater than 3. So in this case, a true value. If the value is true, here we are taking some year value we are taking. What is the value? Year value. Year of today. What is the today's year? 2017. Minus year of date of birth. That means 2017 minus 2000. So what is the output? 2017 minus 2000. What is the output? 17 is the output. Suppose if it is not matching, if the date of birth month is October, in that case this condition is false. If the condition is false, this is executing. In this case, we required 1 year is minus is required. Whatever value is there, from that 1 year minus is required. This is the logic I am applying. Is it clear for everyone? Okay. Now, what is the here? Month of today is nothing but the 6 is greater than or equal to 3. Yes, if the logic is true, then 2017 minus 2000. Then we are getting the output is, what is the output you are getting? The output is nothing but 17 is the output. Otherwise, here 2000 year of today is nothing but 2017 minus 2000 is the year, date of birth year. In that case minus 1. In that case what is the output? 2017 minus 2000 minus 1. It is nothing but, so what is the value you are getting? That value is nothing but the 16 is the output you are getting. What is the output? 16 is the output. So this is the logic we are applying in this case. Now just to save it. Whenever I am saving, here month is March. In the case of March, 17 is the years. Suppose if the month is October 15th. Now 2017 minus 1 is nothing but the 1 year is reducing. That means 16 is the years. I required here how many months also required. For that again I am writing one more function. One more formula. Student age months. Number value. So same type of logic I am applying. But here instead of year, just month value only enough. Month values. Here also month. But here plus 12 months. Here year is converted. That year value we are using plus 12. That's all. So condition, same condition I am applying. If the month of today is greater than or equal to month of date of birth, in that case, what is we are applying? What is this we are applying? We can observe. Month of today is nothing but 6. Month of date of birth is nothing but 3. 6 is greater than or equal to 3. Yes. In that case, month of today is nothing but the 6. Month of date of birth is nothing but 3. This is nothing but 6 minus 3 is nothing but the 3 is the months. Suppose if it is October. If it is October. In the case of October, then what happened? Instead of executing this logic is executing. In that case, 6 minus 10 plus 12. 6 minus 10 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 12. It is nothing but 8 is the months. This is the logic we are written here. You can write the plus symbol 12 here, otherwise there also you can write it. Instead of this, if I am writing this 12, beginning only. 12 plus. 12 plus, this is 6 and this is October 10th. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 minus 10 is nothing but 8 only. So the same answer only we are getting. So if I am writing plus 12 beginning or ending, the output is the same only we are getting. This is the logic we applied. Click on the next. Save it. Now 8 is a month. October means 8 is a month. If it is a March, in the case of March, 17 years 3 months. If the month is November, then 7 months, like this. That is based on the month. Here whatever month is there, that month name also I want to display. That month name also I want to display here. For that I am writing some logic is writing. Formula data type, select formula. Date of birth month name. We require text type January, February, like this. Here we are using case, multiple values. If the value is not matching, then else block is executing. In the else block, not a valid month, or there is no month value, like this I am displaying. What is the expression? The expression month of date of birth. Month of date of birth, if the date of birth month is 11, that means November. We require November. Date of birth month is 1, January. So for this we are applying the some logics here. How to write the logic? Now first one. What is the first one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is no predefined function, January, February, like this. You need to write. So whatever you require, such type of functions you can apply. Here it is January, February, March, April, May, June, October, November, December. So this is the logic is written. If the month, date of birth month is 11, then if the 11 is matching, output is corresponding output, November is the output. If it is a 3, then March is displaying. Like this, based on the logic that value, the corresponding value, if the value is, it is expression, the corresponding value is matching, then result is the corresponding results, like this. Now month value is November. Now here 17 years and June is the date of birth month name, June. Student age is 0 months. 17 years 0 months only, because it is a current month only. This is the way we are applying the logics. We have some more logics and validation rules. I will explain that session in the next session.